Today I am going to discuss BPL, Business Process Execution Language, synchronous and asynchronous programs. Asynchronous, there is no need to wait for response before processing the next steps. We going to see this is synchronous. Immediately we are going to get a replay. Here asynchronous, there is no call back, there is no reply immediately. This way, this is a synchronous structure. See here, client BPL, Business Process Execution Language, and asynchronous, immediately response. Once request completed, execution process completed, after it will process replay task. Here, see here, once request is processed, we can continue other task. After it will give response, delayed response. There is no need to require immediately response. Okay, now I am going to check same synchronous and asynchronous programs. This is where is my application? This is my application. Okay, here already I developed projects. Now I am going to develop a new project with synchronous and asynchronous. Right click here, just close all. I don't want to see. Yeah, now we're done. Now I am going to explain first synchronous process. See here, go SOA. I am selecting a SOA project. Okay, here just give SOA. Synchronous. Yes, I am going to see synchronous and asynchronous. First I am going to explain synchronous. Synchronous. Hello, synchronous program. Synchronous, immediately response. Okay, immediately. See here, immediately response. Synchronous, it will show immediately. See here, request and response. Response is immediately. I am going to give immediately a name also. Immediate. Okay, this is my project. I am going to choose the empty. Now it is completed. After I am going to choose BPL, Business Process Execution Language. Now here we have to choose synchronous. Okay, required. Now just give here. See here, template. I am choosing. I am going to explain synchronous. Here I am going to give synchronous. Synchronous. Okay, BPL synchronous project. Now here just see here replay. Okay, now I am going to choose assign activity. Now completed. Just this is my input to I am going to pass. I am mapping input to output. Whatever I am giving the input, I am going to get output. Just I am going to concat here, concat function. Okay, just here choose drag down concat, here show concat. Okay, what I am going to give double single quotes. Now here give asynchronous synchronous HELO hello. Same, I'm going to pass this input. Just select, cut and paste here. See here, display. Just apply. Just completed this. See here, receive and replay, immediately replay. Now I am going to deploy in my server. Okay, already my server is running. See here, a red mark. If you stop, it won't show red mark. Okay, now I am going to choose. Okay, if you are existing project, we can choose override. Now see here, finish. Now where is log? Go window, see here log. Okay, here deployed, going to deploy. Syntax error. Okay, showing syntax error. Just go and I am going to check syntax error. Design here you have to give single quotes. Okay, this is a problem. You can see here see here double quotes. Okay, now I'm going to give single quotes. Now this is a single quotes. Here single quotes, between there is no data. Now apply. Okay, now I am going to deploy directly in server. See here failed. Now I am going to deploy directly in server. Where is my log? Just go window, show log. Okay, here see deployed finish. Allow synchronous immediately. Okay, this project is deployed in server. Okay, SCA, service component architecture. SCA, this is service. SCA meaning service component architecture project. Okay, now I am going to see here. Last video I explained. This is my host. Using host, I am going to select. Where is this is my host. See here host and port. Using host and port, I am going to deploy project. Where is just I am going to copy my host and port. Copy. Just I am going to paste. After just I am going to edit. This is my host and port. Okay, /em enterprise management. Now click here. Okay, what happened? Link is not found. Okay, already Chrome, Chrome. see here localhost and port. Now em, just give port here, you can check same host and port. Same way we given host and float with em. Now WebLogic server creation time I given my username and password WebLogic and WebLogic 1. Okay, here also you can find server. Go Windows and click servers. See here my integration server. Just going to refresh. Okay, it will show all projects. Now see here server is showing in a window. Select SOA infrastructure default. Now so component, see here this project recently we deployed. Okay, now going to test. Okay, just going to give, I'm going to give my name. Click here payload. My payload is I'm going to give my name Sri Shaila. Okay, now come down, see here test web service. Now we completed. See here response synchronous Sri Shaila. Immediately we got a response. Okay, same way I am going to develop another project. Here also we can see all projects. Okay, these all are project. This project, if you have project you can delete undeployed like this. Okay, now I am going to explain asynchronous project. Deployed successfully. Okay, you can add server also. Right click and add a new server. Here once you give standalone integrated server. Okay, here you can give server name and details. Okay, if you give it will, I am going to give WebLogic 1. See here, just check my domain, default domain, it will fail. Why? Because you have to give domain name also same. Okay, default server. Oh, just give default. Now going to test. Skipped. Just wait. Right click, properties, authentication, configuration, default domain. You have to give here default domain. Okay, success. We will see next video how we are configured. This way we completed this video. Next video I am going to explain asynchronous projects. Here see we got synchronous. It will show immediately response. Next video I am going to explain asynchronous. It will come delay. This is asynchronous definition. There is no need to wait a response before processing a next task. Here the response can be received as part a separate process. This is synchronous, a request response model. Synchronous content request response model. Okay, close it. Now I am going to complete this.